Today I'm going to share with you some of my past designs and how I actually arrived at this stage, and without any mentor, learning from different tutorials. At that time there were physical tutorials and they were difficult to find. Okay, so there were not many websites that provide education or YouTube or anything. So I've learned most of the stuff of my design from getting from different tutorials, different websites, different people. So, so if you want to see my old designs, you can visit deviantart.com/snparvez/gallery, and you will see a lot of my old designs. Like you can see this inset line effect, which was very popular at that time in Photoshop, and it was difficult to achieve. You have to use brush and a lot of things. Inset text effects. So you can see over here the text that has been embossed in the paper, and a lot of other things. So I'm going to share with you some of the things one by one. So this is a website I designed for a spiritual, you can say, silsila uh, over here in Pakistan. And you can see over here, this is a spiritual leader I follow. So this is the website, and I'm going to share with you the actual website. Let's see if I can find that. Oops, I think I have closed that. Anyhow, so I would like to show you a few more things. So this is a logo. Okay, so this is like back in 2006, 2008, I think, or maybe before that, Bright Spire company, and just um, so this is my visiting card. Right now, you might be, thinking that how is this possible? So in the start, when you are in your starting career, you try to design things like this. So this is just you are exploring different things. So you can see over here, at that time I was working in um, DIG office. You can see over here, Deputy Inspector General of Police. Okay, so this is my card design, and this is another one. Again, the using the same logo, try different things. So this is the website I designed using Photoshop. So you can see these are different sections, and at that time you have to use different mapping techniques just to create these kind of websites. Again, this is me. At this time I was 25 years old, so this is a very old design, impact design. I think it might be when I used to go to my college. So you can see my hair, and this is how I used to look. Anyhow, about me, development, design, contact. um, Very simple way of displaying. This is a logo I did in when I was in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and you can see this is a very strange logo. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is the one I discarded. I had the other ones. I'm not sure where that file is right now. Okay, so going back to over here. Okay, so here we have another website I did for a client, Isabella Soidmek, and I think I did it back in, I'm not sure what the date, 2012. Okay, so this is 2012 work. This is again 2012 work, another website I did. I think it was a WordPress theme, custom theme I did for a client, Rocket Life Coaching, Lisa Rocks. And this is one I did, Facebook contest page and Facebook marketing design. Let me show you. Here we have the design. This is very unique design. This whole 3D button was done in Photoshop, all these different effects. So this is a pure graphic design kind of work. Again, another design over here. Let me zoom these for you. Rocket Life Coaching. This is the design for Isabella Shodmak. Anyhow, so this is Pulgarism Avenger. This is the software I was working with. This is the company, and at that time in 2012, you can see I designed these. Then we have another one. This is a logo design I did for them, did for Rocket Life Coaching, and you can see over here these are different ideas I presented. Another one from Canada. This was my client. I did a custom WordPress theme design for Sodor Plastic Cubic. Anyhow, this is another one, Vita Spider. I did dashboard design. This is basically email kind of design, Google kind of design, inspired from that. But it was a payment, and I think managing some QuickBooks or maybe some accounts kind of software, dashboard screen. I think it was in 2012. Yes. So you can see 10, 12, 11 years back. So I was doing user experience design, these kind of designs in 12 years back. Another one, Biden task. And this is the close up of the design. At that time, I think these kind of websites were, very in 2012. Again, another one, just design for contact us page. You can see the details on the button. You can see over here, very nice, lovely details. Another one, Alexandria lifestyle. I did a WordPress theme for this client. And another one, I won the contest. This is Armada Shepherd services. So they were actually premium cars for business people, and I actually designed their website. This one was online reservation, very minimal theme, show the luxury and everything I can on this small design. Two different designs I presented. I think one of them he selected, I think this one. Anyhow, leap start, that was another design which was rejected. Anyhow, so this is, there's too many colors, too many different styles. Year is, I think, let me see, what was the year? 2012. So I did a lot of work in 2012. Okay, so here we have another one which is really interesting, Coffee Design 3.0, very different style. These paper tapes, 3D with some 3D hanging content, cards over here and there. And another one, this is another one which is a very, very difficult, I would say difficult effect. Like you can see shadow from here, paper shadow, I would call it, on left and right. That was a bit difficult using. Actually, I think I did it for a client. This is my first job on Upwork, and this is the client I did. I think I managed his 2 or 3 different websites. Those were all different WordPress themes or sometimes sales kind of pages. These are the buttons I did. Very different effects, 3D kind of, I'm not sure. These are the buttons that actually started my freelancing career. I think I get it over here, so I'm not sure still I can download them or not. Anyhow, another one, this is my first company I started, just me, Coffee Design. This is the website I designed for this. You can see this is the logo, recent projects and all that stuff. This is back in 2011, you can see over here. Okay, so next up is Equator, some kind of drop shipping kind of service. And I did a website design for them in 2010. So we are going back in time, 2010. Derek Dyer, premium watch seller, website done for that. Then we again have another design for Coffee Design. I think I implemented that. I did it in HTML, I'm not sure, WordPress, but at that time this was a live website. Now it has been expired. Paras Foundation, that was the logo I designed. And this is done for my friend. We completed this website. Another one, a local client in my own city, Asian Cookware, and this is the website I did for them. And you can see designed by Coffee Design. Coffee Design was my first firm. Right now we are prodesign.tech. Okay, so this is the whole story and the whole journey. I have showed you some of my previous designs. What you have to learn from this is that after time to time you learn and experience and evolve your own style and design. So don't worry right now, you never compare yourself for the first step and the last 100 step. After 100 steps you will be a great designer. If you want a professional mentorship or learning design from me, I am always here. You can contact me via learnuxid.com. If you have any project in mind, you want any website, blog, landing page, a web app you want me to design, you can contact me from my website info@prodesign.tech, and we can get that further. Okay, so let's move ahead and I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care.